Hey folks, morning bro. Good morning to you. Good afternoon from my end to you, bro. Just setting up my camera. Yeah, bro. There's so much. There's so much going on with gold, especially with. Oh, this could be a fake out. Might start driving back in his range, doing a little bit of correction of this move here. I would have gotten on an anticipating this. Actually, guys, we're gonna check Forex Factory before we do anything. We're gonna check Forex Factory. Honestly, had a little bit of FOMO there. I was gonna jump in on this trade and just trying to remind myself to calm down. It's got on the chart, so. It's Monday now. No much high impact news today. We got it's Monday anyway. Monday at my end. Not much high impact news. Yeah, okay, that's better. So yeah, we're gonna have a clearing price section there. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead now and start breaking down our charts. We're actually gonna look at the weekly time frame. Actually, let's look at the monthly time frame. No, this is massive. It's pretty massive on the monthly time frame. This move on the monthly time frame breaking above the previous monthly candle high. Now that is a pretty massive move, I would say. We are now tapping into this monthly resistance area that was held during 2020. Looking to exceed these price levels above the 2000 area. Forbes said, yeah, chill pill, mate. Definitely, bro. Yeah, I think if we do continue this bullish momentum, we could very well tap into the 2000 levels, start trading above that level at this point. Gold is just being bullish, very extremely bullish right now. We have 11 days until this month ends. Not too sure how it's going to react of this resistance area at 1975.060. This resistance was formed during the COVID period. Really tapped into the 2000 levels and has drove back, closed bullish, start tanking bearish. So back in this area, the last time we were in this area was in this area was tapped into at during August and September of the COVID period. Tapped into it again during March last year. That's around the time where we had the Ukraine and the Russian war. And now we're coming back into it after all this news about banks closing and all that bullshit. So looking at the weekly time frame, now this is very interesting because the weekly candle, last week's weekly candle closed without a top wick, so we may very well start driving bearish at this point. So last week's weekly candle closed without a top wick. At 1990, we could definitely start driving bearish at this point. Looking at the daily candle, the daily candle is a bit tricky. Yeah, the daily candle is a little bit tricky. Looking to the left on the daily candle, we have resistance on the daily time frame right here, just a little bit below the 2000 level. We haven't tapped to the 2000 levels yet, but you know, we might grind slowly up to 2000 and then drop. If we drive bearish, we have clean traffic coming on down to potentially retesting this previous resistance area that was formed on the 2nd of February right here, or we could potentially drive down to this resistance at 1915, or potentially come to this support level and 1900 levels over here. That's the daily time frame. Look at the 4-hour time frame. Very nice structure on the 4-hour time frame. We have tapped into this resistance. Starting to look to driving bearish at this point, coming down to 1990 right here. And if you do drive bearish, potentially come down to the support level at 1972 right there. So we might be trading in this range for quite a bit. We are driving bearish at this point, and this would have been a nice opportunity to get in on sales over here on the candle flip, anticipating this resistance to hold. But anyways, it's going to be very patient with this. Just going to see how price plays out. If anything, we're going to wait for support to form to potentially retest the highs. That's what we're going to wait for in the 30-minute time frame, if not on the 1-hour time frame. So we're pretty much making a new high at this point at around 1993, 1992 area. So what could happen is price could come down, potentially make some sort of support level, either on the 30-minute time frame or the 50-minute time frame even. That's something we have to be looking at on this at this point. So just gonna be chilling right now, and we're just gonna wait for the support to form to potentially retest the highs. And that's pretty much what we are anticipating at this point. Really don't want to be looking at the yeah, really don't want to be looking at the lower time frames at this point. It's gonna be sticking to the 30-minute time frame and the 1-hour time frame. Honestly, my goal for Monday, first trading session of the week, is just to get a win. Okay, I'm not looking to catch any home runs for this session. Just want to put myself in the best position to get a winning trade at this point. So basically, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna wait for a candle closure at this point. Just being very patient on the 30-minute time frame and the 1-hour time frame. So this 1-hour candle closes in the next 14 minutes. Pretty much just gonna chill and wait. Folks, man, weekend was great. It's pretty hard in my end. I don't know. How was your weekend, bro? Ah, very nice, my bro. Folks go to UPS. My man. Amazing, bro. Amazing. Hello, Anand. Game is on. What's up, bro? How you doing, brother? Just gonna check if there was any news that came out that would have popped this thing bullish. This might be it. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we have resistance over here. This resistance was formed during Asian session today. At 1988, 30, 35. Yeah, let's say 35. 1938, 35. Are you gonna buy now, bro? Careful there, buddy. Ooh, 5 minute. 5 minute looks good. 5 minute candle looks very, very nice to drive bullish. Yeah, you could buy now, bro. I actually got in on a small buy over here. I actually got in on a small buy here, anticipated price to drive bullish. I slipped a little bit. Moving very nicely. I think I'm gonna break even on this. Running. Ooh, 12 pips. Secure profits right there, guys. Pretty much a break even. Great first trade of the session. Fairly simple trade taken on the 5 minute time frame. Amazing, brother. Yeah, got a little bit of runner left. I'm gonna see if it comes up to 1990 actually. That would be a nice 50 pip move. 50 pips. Gonna look to see if we can tap into 1990 again. Well, bro, hopefully it goes up to 2000. I'll be pretty happy if it goes up to 2000. Yeah, but it was a nice trade. Oh, you got an entry on the 1 minute time frame, bro? Oh, amazing, brother, amazing. This thing is just flying at this point. Yeah, 1990 will be my full TP. If it doesn't hit, then I'm good getting out of break even. 1990. Fairly simple trade based on the 5 minute time frame. We're back at this resistance, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna close everything right here. Not too sure how price is gonna react to this resistance here, so pretty much close everything at 37 pips. It continues, but great 37 pips on the stream, amazing trade. Now we're gonna be looking to see if things formulate on the higher time frames. This 30-minute candle closes in the next 3 minutes, actually 5 minutes actually. So we're really trying to see how it closes at this point. Yeah, that's right, guys. Come on, hit the like button if you got in this trade. Come on, guys. Come on now. Okay, there we go. We have a 30-minute candle closure back in the range. So this might signify. See, price came up over here, closed everything right at this resistance here. Wasn't too sure how price is gonna react off it, so now that we're closing back in the range, could potentially look at taking another taking sells over here, anticipating price to stay in the range. If we can get 10 pips off this, I wouldn't mind. Yes, brother. That was an amazing trade. Okay, this is great. This is great. We have the 30-minute candle pushing above this resistance here. So if this 30-minute candle closes outside of 1988, what, 380, 400, then I want to be focused on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour candle to close back in this range, back below this resistance area over here, and then we're going to look to see if we can get some trade just below this range here. So we have 1 minute until this candle closes, and really want to see how this 30-minute candle closes. If this 30-minute candle closes bullish, we're going to close off our 30-minute chart. We're going to focus on the 1 hour chart over here. Also going to look at this 15-minute candle over here. Two things. Let me just point out two things. This candle closed bullish outside of resistance without a top wick. No top wick here. So if this candle closes back below this range over here, I'm going to look to execute sells, anticipating the bearish candle, the 1 hour candle to close back in the range for potential drive to correct some of these moves over here. So full target has been hit at 1990. Yeah, I'm gonna be very patient with this trade. Very patient, waiting for this 15-minute candle to close. Very patient. Excuse me. Guys, I'm looking to clock like 100 subscribers by the end of the week. Any suggestions on how to do so, guys? 400 subscribers on YouTube. I don't know what number I'm sitting at right now, but it's I think it's at, wait, let's see. I think it's at, it's actually at 370 something. 373. So I'm looking to get like 27 subscribers by the end of the week and clock 400 subscribers on my YouTube channel. That's my weekly goal for my socials. Hopefully we can get that. So we might do some trading recaps here and there along the week, or maybe some simulation sessions. We'll see. Zippy said I will make Telegram group to call sessions there. Always Twitter with recaps or screens. Arrange the TikTok account. You do like 6-7 trades, so each day one video on TikTok gonna be fire. Oh, true way, bro. You know, the thing with me and my socials is like, man, I just have a lot going on in my life, bro. Like, honestly, bro, I probably need to get someone to manage my socials. I don't have time to sit and edit and then you know, do those little touch-ups on your videos and stuff. But hopefully I can get someone to work on it. And it's probably going to save time, but But yeah, bro, I don't have a TikTok account, and I'm just not a big fan of TikTok. I mean, I could create a TikTok account, but I'm not too sure about this. You know, the other contents that's out there. I don't want to be, you know, I don't want to create a TikTok account and then happen to, like, you know, start scrolling through other people's feeds and shit. And Twitter, yeah, I do have a Twitter account, but man, I'll try to. I'll definitely try to be um, more active on Twitter. It's just that my Twitter account is basically my personal account. It's not. It's nothing to do with trading related. Although I do follow a couple of trading pages here and there. But you know, the thing with me and my socials is uh, true. Yeah, you know what? I could potentially look at getting TikTok if you. I mean, if you could divert some TikTok followers into my YouTube page, then that would be amazing. Oh, true, bro. Amazing, bro. Yeah, that could be a good avenue to grow my social. So we'll see, bro. We'll see. But thanks, bro. I'll definitely look into that. I'm not too familiar with TikTok, but I'll definitely try to look into that. I only have Instagram and YouTube for now. Focus in managing socials is a mission, bro, especially when you focus on something else after you trade. Yes, bro, definitely. I actually have someone looking at it, working on it right now. You know, the only thing about these graphic designers is I think it's best to get graphic designers in the industry, like someone who has a background in Forex or trading, a little bit of trading. So, you know, at least they know what, you know, like if you get someone to manage your socials who don't know anything about trading, then you'll have to feed them these captions and, you know, feed them what to post and what kind of content to post and what not to take off, and then the captions need to be aligned with what the videos are saying and all that. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of graphic designers out there, a lot of people who can manage some socials out there, but probably getting someone in the industry would be even better. Instagram, ZPC Instagram is good, but for ranges, TikTok make a lot. I got 100k views just eating rice, bro. Bro, that's amazing, bro. How do you monetize on TikTok? Yeah, folks. Yeah, 100%. He'll also be able to have more value to post, you know, if he knows a thing or two about the industry. Definitely, bro. That's what I was. Yeah, that's pretty much. Uh, yeah, what I'm looking at. As if you say live stream where you can get people to come to your stream, it'll be massive progress on YouTube and scale. Definitely, bro. Most definitely, bro. I'll take a I'll take a look into it, bro. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate your feedback, guys. I'll definitely take a look into TikTok. So, guys, we have this 15-minute candle closing at this point. Now, this is what's happening right now. we have this 50-minute candle closing bearish. High probability we're gonna close bearish in the next 2 minutes. So what I'm thinking right now is, if this candle closes bearish, what if we execute on the break of the lows, anticipating this 30-minute candle to close back in the range, and then for the next 30-minute candle to drive bearish, potentially correcting some of these moves that move over here. That's what I'm thinking at the moment. So we could either take an entry on the 50-minute time frame on the break of the low, or we could potentially wait for this 30-minute candle to close in the next 16 minutes. And if it closes bearish back in this range, higher probability that we could potentially drive bearish. Guys, I got in on this 50-minute time frame on the break of the low here, anticipating price to drive back into this range here. So this is pretty much a pretty risky trade, I would say. Stop loss is at 1992. Hopefully we can continue this momentum. Our entry on this trade is at 1988.25. Guys, we're running at what? Tapped into 15 pips. This is looking great. This is looking good actually. I want to look to secure profits at around 20 pips. Ooh, pushing very nicely right now. There we go. Pushing. Ooh, guys, amazing. 25 pips. Secure profits at 25 pips right there. Holy shit. This isn't actually 25 pips. This was what? Yeah, 26 pips. Stop loss is pretty much a break even right now. Amazing trade, guys. Amazing trade. And now we wait and see. Guys, this is a trade on the 50-minute time frame. If this 30-minute cannot close back in his range, this 30-minute cannot close back in his range here, there's only one thing to do, guys. We're going to capitalize on that and we're going to execute. Execute. Yeah, Zippy. Amazing. 26 pips in the stream. Just amazing, mate. Yeah, I think we're gonna. I'm just looking at this, guys. Just looking at this at the moment. This cannot close back in his range. That means this whole push up over here was a fake out, and we might have the next 30-minute candle to. I mean, we might start driving slowly, bearish at this point. That's my opinion. We might get taken out of break even. I mean, our partials might get taken out of break even. Just have to be patient. There we go, guys. Just got taken out of break even. It is what it is. And now we're going to wait for the 30-minute candle and the 1 hour candle close. Amazing. Forbes said might watch from the sideline for this session. Secured almost 60 pips on the stream. Amazing, bro. Amazing. So we took the first trade on the 5-minute time frame, second trade on the 15-minute time frame, and we have this 30-minute candle closing in the next 2 minutes. Could potentially get a trade on the 30-minute candle. The 30-minute time frame is just have to wait to see how this candle closes. Candle close confirmations are very important, guys. Gold is extremely bullish too, so candle close confirmations are very important. So guys, this is a no trade for us. Basically, we had this 30-minute candle close bearish, but didn't necessarily close below this resistance area over here at 1938, 380 for a nice confirmation to drive bearish back into this range over here. So with that being said, pretty much done for the session, guys. I'm gonna be back for MY session. I have to go pick up my car from the car wash. So thank you guys for tuning in. Basically, we also have this 1-hour candle close above this resistance over here. So looking to the left on the 1-hour time frame, do we see any clean traffic towards the top? Man, I don't know how back we have to go to potentially see day 2 on the 1-hour time frame, but you know, at this point, you know, things are going to be messy leading up to MY sessions, so it's pretty much best that we stay out of this. If you are going to take buys or sells, we're just going to pretty much be gambling at this point. So yeah, it's pretty much done for the session, guys. Amazing trade, mate. Folks, thank you very much for tuning in. Zippy, appreciate you guys. I'll catch you guys during MY session, yeah? Amazing trade. Amazing. Cheers, guys.